Late nights, the quiet desk, and the numbers that tell your story. Tracking each paycheck, every bill, and the small things that add up. When you see it all clearly, choices feel lighter. Money awareness. Know where every dollar goes.
Every dollar you owe can feel like a weight you carry every day. Shred one bill, cross off one line, breathe. Freedom begins with small, steady steps. Clear your debts. Break free from the chains.
When the day begins, so do our decisions. A quick glance at spending shows what matters and what doesn't. Trim the extras, grow the freedom. Cut unnecessary costs. Spend less, live more.
Every coin adds up. Build your emergency fund and give yourself a cushion for life's surprises. A little today can mean peace of mind tomorrow. Prepare for the unexpected.
Looking to add a little breathing room to your budget? Start here. Delivery gigs, freelance projects, tutoring online. Find extra income that fits around your life, not the other way around. Because multiple streams beat one job every time. Take a sip.
When you take time to learn, doors start opening. Each lesson adds a gear to the machine, letting your ideas turn more smoothly. Capture what you discover. Watch your list grow. Upgrade your skills. Invest in yourself first.
Launch your online income. Add products, hit launch, and your store is live. Orders come in while you focus on what's next. Build it once, sell 24/7. Because digital doors never close.
When the pieces connect, work happens on its own. Build systems. Let your money work for you. Efficiency isn't rushed, it's engineered. Put it in motion once, and watch it keep turning.
Every swipe moves you forward. Choose where your money grows, add a little, and watch it stack. Small steps today can build the future you imagine. Start investing. Small steps, big future.
Every night I come back to this page, not because it's easy, but because it reminds me why I started. The setbacks, the late hours, the doubts, they used to live here. Now they teach me. Discipline is the bridge. Mindset, that's the engine.